In this video, you will see how to insert image in box in MS Word document. It's very easy. First, go to the Insert tab. Under the shapes, select the shape of your choice and then draw a shape. After drawing the shape, right click on the shape and go to Format Shape. Under the field, you will see the option of picture or texture field. Just select this option. Go to the Insert tab and select the picture and then click on Insert and close this window. This is how you can insert picture in box in MS Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification icon if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.